Kia ora, I'm Christine.
Kia ora, I'm Naz, and we're currently renovating my family home here in rural Northland. We're super stoked with the progress, and we are currently standing in our latest project,
which is our nursery for our little baby boy. He's almost 1 year old, so we were pretty over him being in our bedroom.
This is what it looks like now. Let's take you back to what it looked like before.
Over a year ago, this room was completely untouched. The walls were damaged, we had heaps of holes. So the vision that we had for this room to create a space that was really cute for our baby as a nursery, but I wanted it to grow with him and with the house as well. And I wanted to have a feature wall.
We thought it'd be best to check in with the professionals, so we headed into Resene ColorShop.
Trevor gave us advice on what we'd need to prep all of our surfaces, as well as some cool color options and stain for our beams. When it came to the color of this room, I really couldn't decide what way I wanted to go, so I headed to Instagram and did a poll with my audience on whether we would do maybe a rust, a green, or a blue. As you might be able to tell behind me, a blue wall with paneling won the poll. And then lastly, for our color, we went with the gorgeous color Resene Bounty, and we went in with Resene SpaceCote Low Sheen.
We got into our Resene gears and we started leveling up and nailing up our wall paneling, as well as caulking our sides and putting our nail holes.
Then we went in with a light sand and wiped down all the surfaces with the Resene Interior Paintwork Cleaner.
My darling done a primo job undercoating all the walls with Resene Quick Dry.
Then it was time for the exciting part. I got to crack open the can of Resene Bounty and Resene SpaceCote Low Sheen. It's this gorgeous pastel blue color. It turned out perfect. I really love it. I think it's gorgeous for the baby boy room, but I also think it'll grow with him super well as it's very timeless.
As for our beams, we went in with Resene ColorWood stain and the color Resene Bar. And that keeps our beams consistent throughout our whole home.
As for the rest of our walls, they are painted in the gorgeous Resene Quarter Black White. This is our third and last baby, so we went all out on a dream nursery. We got new carpet, a rug, new furniture, and also I did some little craft projects with the sample pots that didn't make the cut for the feature wall. I did some cute little clay letters, as well as this little painting behind me.
Awesome touch with the test pots, and now we have an awesome nursery.
Tide might not be able to talk, but I can tell that he absolutely loves the space.